Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Northern Electric 3-slot payphone. It's a 233. This is Arts Equipment from Michigan. This is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. This unit is in very good condition for its age, and we want to run through a little bit about what we need to do in the repair and conversion. Now we want to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also want to install a modular port at the center of the backboard where the opening is. That way Art can bring a line cord, plug it right in to the modular port, any color, any length he chooses, and it makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We want to troubleshoot our block, our contacts, our handset cord, our transmitter, our receiver, go through the hook switch. We also want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We want to make sure that that's racking off properly. We want to get a sign in the informational card area, something to the period of the telephone. Now we're going to talk to Art about the dial center. It's original probably to the telephone, and if not, it's been with it a long time. It looks pretty cool. You probably should leave it, but I'll talk to him about it and we'll go from there. Now we also want to make sure that we go through the coin validator. We want to make sure all the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box, into the vault area. We also want to install a bell and a bell circuit in this unit. And we want to go ahead and talk about the cash box and the keys. He has his cover key, his vault key. That's a plus. That's cool. And he has his cash box. That's a plus. And he also has his cover. So in the day, they would go ahead and install this on the cash box. They would put a seal or a lock on this. And then each time you took the unit out or put it in, you needed to set the latch. So we'll go ahead and set the latch. You would put this on the coin box. Then when you installed it into the payphone, it caught your trigger. The opening would open, your coins would fall through, and then when you pulled out the cash box, your trigger would go back, and then you could not get into the cash until they removed the seal or the lock that they put on the front of the cover. And then when you emptied the money, counted the money, you would reset the latch, go ahead and install your top on your cash box, and when you pushed it in the payphone, it pulled your trigger back, your opening would open, your money would drop through, pull it out, and then you couldn't open it again. So that's a very cool situation there. He has all of his equipment. Now we want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Northern Electric 3-slot payphone. So we'll take a short break. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this 3-slot payphone, and we want to show a little bit about what's going on. Now, we're working on the rotary, and we want to make sure that this is cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We want to make sure that our numbers are racking off properly, and we're going to go ahead and take care of that. We'll finish that up. We're also working on our coin validator. We want to make sure that all of our coins are falling through into the cash box, the vault area, and we'll go ahead and finish that up. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Northern Electric 3-slot payphone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with repair and conversion of this Northern Electric 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. Now, we also replaced the transmitter. This was noisy, and we went ahead and replaced it. We're going to set that to the side. It's of no use to us. Now, we went through the transmitter and replaced that, the receiver, the handset cord, the hook switch. We rewired this unit the way we wanted it wired to work the way we wanted it to work. We went through the rotary. We showed that earlier. We also installed a bell circuit, and a modular port so that Art could simply walk up to this telephone and plug any length line cord, any color he chooses. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And we'll do some still pictures of that and our informational sign and the dial center card that Art installed into that telephone. It was an old number that was in his family, and he put it in the telephone. It actually looks original to the telephone, so it looks pretty cool. Gonna go ahead and put some money into this unit, and we'll go ahead and start with a quarter. That's going to gong one time. We'll do a dime. That's going to ring the bell twice. We'll do a nickel. One more quarter. Another dime. One last nickel. That'll ring the bell one time. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and set our vault door over to the side because we want to go into our cash box. Now, they fit pretty tight, so it's going to take a little bit getting used to putting the cash box into the unit and taking it out because they do fit tight. I like to put some wax on these so that they remove easier and you can put them into the unit easier. This latch is a little tight. We want to go ahead and show you our change. Art's getting rich with bubblegum money now. We're going to go ahead and set our cash box to the side. We can set that up when we're finished. Now what we want to do is we want to ring this unit. So we're going to use the analyzer, and we'll go ahead and send a ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the rotary. We're going to end in a 2. And now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 31st. The time is 12:09. Current temperature 35 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Cloudy today, a chance of flurries, highs in the upper 30s. Cloudy tonight, lows in the mid-20s. Mostly cloudy Thursday, then becoming partly cloudy, highs in the mid-30s.
Go ahead and hang our unit up. We can give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Northern Electric 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Art and he can enjoy this payphone now. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where he installs it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.